Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see how many steps you walked on Android. If you want to count your steps on Android phone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to first install a third-party application. So go for your Play Store app and here just go for search and search for steps counter. Just search for that and here you just have to install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Just wait for installation, then we'll have a setup. Once you have installed the app, just tap on open to open the app. And here you just have to allow some permission. Here's the notification permission, just allow that. And here you just have to skip the ad first. Once you have skipped that ad, you just have to select your language, then tap on this done option. And here just select your gender, then select your height. Let's say I'm going to select this one, just select that originally, skip that option, just tap on skip and it will be skipped. Now you must have to allow some permission. Here's the physical activity permission, just enable that. And here just enable the setting, just select allow, then select done. Now it will track your steps. Whenever you will walk, it will track your steps here. You can easily manage it from here if you want. So that's how you can easily see how many steps you have walked on the Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.